ready to ditch the payment headaches and get your Fiverr earnings working harder for you. In this video, we'll unlock the power of Revolut to seamlessly manage and receive your Fiverr payments, making your freelance life a whole lot easier. First, let's get Revolut set up. If you don't have it yet, download the Revolut app from your app store and create an account. The process is straightforward. Provide your details, verify your identity, and boom, you're in. Revolut is known for its user-friendly interface, so this should be quick and simple. Next, head over to your Fiverr account and navigate to your payment settings. You'll likely see several options, including PayPal or direct deposit. We're going to change this to Revolut. Start by adding your Revolut details, but first, make sure to connect your bank account on Revolut. You'll need to find your account details within the Revolut app. Your IBAN and BIC Swift code are the critical pieces of information you'll need to add this to your Fiverr account. Usually, you can find your bank details on the home page of the app by clicking the account icon. Now back to Fiverr and put those details into the fields provided, including your bank name and address. Double-check everything to avoid any transaction mishaps. After that, you can save the details and the Fiverr platform will start to process payments. Once you've set up Revolut as your payment method on Fiverr, you're all set. When a client marks your gig as complete, the payment will soon appear in your Revolut account. You'll receive real-time notifications, so you can easily track your incoming earnings. Revolut offers much more than just receiving payments. You can easily convert your earnings into different currencies, analyze spending habits, and even create virtual cards for secure online transactions. Use the application to improve your online transactions. Using Revolut on Fiverr simplifies your freelance finances. Embrace control over your payments and boost your financial freedom today. Subscribe for more helpful freelance tips.